Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a panning effect to your videos or photos on CapCut. So after you import your clip, you just need to go to the video effects, then click on the nightclub category and then select the play pendulum effect. Okay, this one. Then adjust the effect like this. So for the intensity, go to adjust it to 7, twist 0, speed 100, then sharpen 0. Click on the check icon and apply it to all of your clips. Then go to the video effects again. Click on the lens category, then find the mini zoom effect and adjust the speed and also the range to only 6. And now you are done, and here is the final result for the panning effect. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.